Hey Stacy, so I'm logged on to the website and right now I've deleted all the examples that we did, and I did post this right here, podcast coming soon. If you want to delete this, it can be found under pages and then podcasts, and that just manages the text on top of the page. But to actually do the podcast, I think we couldn't figure it out, or I couldn't figure it out yesterday. So I'm going to show you today how to properly do it. So let's click to the back end of the website. Okay, so all I've done is I clicked on podcast right here and then just click add podcast either right here or right here. It's going to give you the same result. Okay, and then we'll do, this is an example podcast. Alright, so some things that we want to do before we load the file on, tag it whichever category. So let's say this is, on forgiveness. You can add new topics right here. And then the other really important thing is pick a date. So we'll just pick today's date. I know it kind of displays funny, the day first and then month and then year, but just ignore that. And then the last step is to add the actual podcast file. I think normally it's going to give you all the MP3 files. So all you really have to do is just upload it from your computer, but we'll click add media. Okay, so when you're here, you have kind of some options right here. You want to click on Create Audio Playlist. That's what gives it that kind of nice play button. These are all the existing files that we have on here, but you also have the choice of uploading a new MP3 file. So, once she gets you those files, you can just upload it from wherever it is on your computer. But for the time being, I'm not going to add a new song. I'll just use what's existing. So I'll click this. This was the example I set yesterday. And then create a new playlist. And then insert audio playlist. So when it looks like that, then you know you've done it correctly. And we'll click publish. And so going back over here, I'm going to hit refresh and then see what it does. And it's being really slow. Okay, so there it is, and then it's working too. Yep, it's working. Okay, so remember, do the title, tag the topic. For sure pick a date. This is an important step. So assign it a date, and then click add media, and then you have to create a new playlist. Let me know if you have questions.